Okay, this is my 1999 Subaru Outback. Has 63,990 miles. I'm not very good filming this, but anyway, when I turn corners, I accelerate around the corner, primarily when I'm making a left, and sometimes even going straight or right, I can hear what sounds like a not really sure what that is. Anyway, I'm hoping this camera will pick it up. This is my attempt to try to get it on here. Again, there might be moments when the camera's not really on anything in particular. Again, this is just a cheap digital camera. Not very good at this, but anyway, here we go. This may take a minute before I get this on here, but anyway, here we go. Alright, I don't know if the camera caught that or not, but I heard it. It was just a slight usually it just did it once, but that's what it sounds like. Anyway, if anyone can help me with this, I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Oh, my name's Brett, signing off.